Let's face it, we live in the desert and most of us are sun worshipers, whether we want to be or not. Well, here to help you, of course, improve our overall skin tone is Dr. Janessa Iannitelli from Advanced Image Med Spa. Good to have you back.
Thank you.
And you know, not that people have to necessarily sit in the sun, but we're going to get some sun damage. We're going to get some things going on in our face that make us look older. And you believe that it is safe to use PRP and it's effective.
Absolutely.
Why?
So I love PRP. For people that don't know, it's called platelet-rich plasma. It's actually a component of our blood. We use a special FDA kit. You get a blood draw just like you would at any other time in your life. We kick off the red blood cells, and what you're left with is about 20 different growth factors that are amazing for restoration and rejuvenation.
And so we're talking about taking our own, basically our body, I said it earlier, we're using our body as its own defender. It's called a vampire facial, what we're going to look at first. Are there multiple parts of the body that we can use?
Absolutely.
PRP?
So in your face, if we do it just with a microneedling device, you're looking at a vampire facial. In that picture, that's a vampire facelift because we've combined it with fillers. If we do it in the breast, that's going to be a vampire breast lift. In the vagina, it's going to be an O shot for sexual health and incontinence. Penis is going to be a P shot, and that's going to be for erectile dysfunction and sexual health. And then also, too, we've got one more fun place that we can put it, and that's the hair.
Right, and that, I mean, look at the difference, though. How many treatments are we seeing here in these before and afters?
So depending on which type of treatment you're doing, they're either a one and done or they're done in a short series.
And so we're looking at multiple conditions that people are dealing
Correct.
with. That one was a little bit of like some spotting here.
Acne scarring,
And
yes.
it goes away. And you said the hair as well. We're going to look at it before and after. Still one treatment, even for hair restoration?
So for the hair restoration, usually we like to do at least 3, but this treatment that you're seeing right here is just the difference with 1, so you can kind of see that you are going to get progression each time you do a treatment.
And PRP, it's a term we're hearing a lot of, Dr. Iannitelli, because a lot of people want to not use fillers anymore. They don't want to use things that they don't know what's in it. Do you think this is a great alternative?
So the whole push now is to kind of use your body as a grocery store. We have all of these wonderful things. We just have to kind of activate them and tell them what to do. So it's amazingly safe and it has little to no downtime. So that's really important.
Tell us about your training, because you've been here multiple times and you talk about a number of treatments, all of which you do. Talk about your training and what keeps you out in front when it comes to this technology.
So Dr. Charles Reynolds, he's actually the inventor of all the vampire techniques. He does Kim Kardashian and all the Victoria's Secret models. Wouldn't we love that job?
Oh, yes.
But I was fortunate enough to have him train me at his clinic in Alabama. So we use all of his protocols, and not all of the protocols are created equally. So that's really important for the consumer to know.
Yeah, and you were telling me not all PRP kits are the same. What do we, as a client, need to ask our provider?
So we're looking at the concentration of all those wonderful growth factors that are rejuvenating everything versus your baseline blood, and you can have a huge variance, anywhere between 2 and 9 times. So you really want to talk to the clinic and see, you know, what type of kit they're using, what kind of product you're getting, because not all of the time we need more of something, but in this particular case, it really does matter, the concentration.
That's right, and go to someone who's trained to do this. And
Absolutely.
You do a number of treatments, all of which are pretty incredible. All right, let's give you a special offer this morning. The first 10 of you who call in right now, you are going to receive 20% off desired PRP procedures. That is up to a $350 savings. Advanced Image Med Spa, they are located at 7942 West Bell Road, suite number 2. They are in Glendale. 480-845-4121 is the number to call, or visit the website advancedimagemedspa.com.